As you guys know, a lot of things are about to be done to this car, and it's about time we take off the side window cover and the side vent. I've had this car for about 3 years now with these two pieces on here, and I think it looks good. It looks make it a little wider, but it's about time we make it slimmed out. We're gonna tint that window as well, so let's take this off. All right, guys, that was a real pain to get loose, but it's loose and it's about to come off, so let's take it off. There it is. Got it off. This thing is filthy. Well, guys, we got it off. Now it's just time to clean this up, get all that residue off, and hopefully this doesn't take me long. All right, guys, after like an hour of scrubbing, it is finally looking better. Completely off now. I had to get all these tools and stuff out of here just to get all the adhesive off, but it's looking good now. So now we got to take this off. All right, guys, we just peeled off all the stuff. And boom, there we have it. Cover is now off. Now I'm just gonna get all this residue off. Hopefully it doesn't take me another hour, but let's get to it. So the window residue and everything did not take me as long. It only took me about like 20 minutes to get everything off and cleaned up, and everything is looking good. I'm gonna stop for today, and we're gonna get to that side tomorrow. But man, I missed that slim look on it. What do you guys think? Do you like it better like this or with the covers on it? But yeah, guys, my fingers are absolutely killing me. But yeah, we'll continue with that side tomorrow.
24 hours later.
Look how much dirt is inside this. That is bad. That was pretty easy. We're moving along pretty good. All right, guys, the car's all cleaned up now. As you can see, all the residue and everything is off of the car. Man, this thing's looking good. Nice and shiny. I cannot wait to lower this thing, man. Sitting up way too high. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna show you exactly why you do not go to a ghetto tint shop to get your car tinted, because I learned my lesson and I'm about to show you guys why. Okay, first we're gonna start off with the windshield, and this is 15%. If you just look here, you see all those little white dots? Yeah, those are all little water spots, or not water spots, but little imperfections that the tint shop left on all of my windows. And also, look at that cut. I'm no tint expert, but I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to look like that. I mean, come on, just look at that cut. It is not supposed to be looking like this. It's hard to show you guys all the little imperfections on the windshield, but they are very noticeable. But on camera, it's hard to show you. But let me just tell you guys, it is not professionally done at all. And guys, this window is cut even worse. Like, I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be looking like that. So the place where I got this car tinted was in New Jersey, right before I moved to Florida. And it was in a very ghetto area. And I don't know why I decided to go there to tint my car. I just wanted to get it done. And I paid basically for what I got. So if you guys are looking to get your car tinted, do not go to a ghetto place. Also, fun little fact, I asked for 15s on the side and 35 in the windshield. I got 15 on the sides and the windshield. So they didn't even put the right tint on. But we're getting all that fixed in this video. But yeah, look, even like that little thing right there is not supposed to be there. All these water spots are gonna be getting fixed in this video as well. And yeah, just look at those cuts. I'm no tint expert, like I said, but it's not supposed to be done like that at all. But I could just go all day showing all the little things about this tint on the windshield, about how bad this is. I mean, I could literally talk about this all day and show you a million different spots. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you a quick before and after. This is it during the daytime with 15% all the way around. And I'll show you guys what it looks like after with 5%. All right, what is about that time? We head over to the shop and we get this thing tinted. All right, so we here at Classy Customs here in Sarasota. If anyone's looking to get some tint done and come to this place, look at this setup room they got. While you're waiting for your car to get done, you know, you could just be playing some PS4. They got all these beverages and stuff for you guys. This place is sick. They got some snacks and stuff. So if you guys are ever looking to get your tint done, come to Classy Customs. The link to this place's website will be in the description below.
Rockin' this shit confetti. They all let it go with the telly. They all wanna roll my belly. I got my dogs out on puppet at the reefs. I got them coming in, shit look like a blitz. She wanna check me up, she wanna check my feet. I pull up the Maybach, jumping, shake, check my I don't know why they
What's up, y'all? My name's Isaiah. I'm the owner of the shop here at Classy Customs. What we do is pretty much all things auto styling, so tinting, detailing, ceramic coating, paint protection film, wraps, wheels, you name it, we do it. We make it classy and we make it custom. We're located right here in Sarasota, Florida.
Now look at these cuts compared to the last one. I know you guys can see that difference. We got 5 all around, 15 on the front. You guys can just tell how much of a difference this is. Once again, shout out Classy Customs. The link to their website will be in my description and in my bio, so make sure you guys go check them out. And if you guys live in this kind of area, the Sarasota area, make sure you come here. As y'all can see, there's no more water spots, and there was a hell of water spots on this back windshield, especially with the louver parts. Alright guys, and this is what it's looking like in the daytime. Nothing too dark. I mean, you could easily see it during the daytime, but at nighttime it's going to be a different story. Alright y'all, we back at home now, and as you guys can see, it's looking really good. And it's mad windy out, so I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but man, you can't even see inside anymore. I'm just going to wipe it down with a little rag, but dang, this thing's looking good. I'm so happy that even the louver spots and all the water spots are all out, and it's finally just one solid sheet of glass without any spots on it. Now let's show you guys what this thing is like driving at nighttime. So we are just currently driving on a regular road. The front you can see pretty easily because there's some lights, but if we go to the side here, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing on the sides. But if you guys do want to see out of your sides, you're making a turn or something, scroll down your window a little bit and boom, you can see just like that. But when you put it up, nah, nothing. So yeah, this is what it looks like for everyone wondering. 5% on the inside. The windows, side windows, you can't see anything, but the front, it's not too bad to see at all. All right guys, so we're all parked up here under some light. That way you guys can see what it looks like under some light. And man, this 5% tint just looks absolutely crazy. You can't see anything. If I go up all the way to the window, it's just a reflection. Just a reflection of me. You can't see anything inside, and that goes for the front pretty much as well. Even though it is 15, still looks pretty dark to me. But yeah guys, step 1 of the transformation of this car is complete with the tint. Step 2 of the transformation is going to be me attempting to wrap this car. We'll see how it goes since it is my first time doing it. Anybody have any tips for that? Leave it in the comments, that'll help me out. I think one of the biggest differences about this tint is the back, how all the water spots and stuff from the louvers are out. This just makes it look so much better than it was before. So step 3 of this transformation is going to be to lower the car. And when I mean lower the car, I mean make this thing look good. Not all the way slammed to the ground like those other cars that you'd be seeing. Just low enough to the point where it looks good and it rides good. And then once I lower the car, the 4th part of this transformation is going to be getting some new wheels and tires. I'm still trying to decide what kind of wheels and tires I want to get for this car. So if you guys have any recommendations of what I should get, put them in the comments below. And guys, step number 5 of this transformation is probably going to be your guys' favorite. And that is throwing a Whipple supercharger on this thing. But that's definitely not going to be until down the road. There might be another tiny transformation of this car, and that's going to be putting a flat bottom steering wheel on here. I already had multiple people on Facebook talk to me about selling me theirs for pretty cheap, but that might be one of the things that goes on this car next. But yeah guys, those are all the plans for this car so far, and I hope you guys are really excited because I'm really excited about it. And if you guys aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. That way you can be with me during this journey, getting all these different mods and stuff. And once again, thank you to Isaiah from Classy Customs in Sarasota. If you guys need anything done to your car, PPF, tint, wrap, you know, ceramic coating, anything like that, go to Classy Customs Sarasota. The link to their website is going to be in my description and in my bio. They did a great job on this tint, 5% on the sides, 15 on the front. They did a great job, and I highly recommend them to anybody who's looking to get anything done to their car. But that's going to wrap up today's video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.